Hey YouTube, I'm Jonah and this is my wife Nancy. And we purchased this Ford Transit crew van to convert into a camper van. So join us in our few episodes in this amazing DIY transformation and some of our adventures. And if you're new to my channel and you find my video interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Hi everyone, so today in our Ford Transit medium roof van, we're going to be putting our rain guard / wind guard on our windows. Okay, let's do it. So Nancy picked up this rain guard at Rose City Ford, our local Ford dealership here in Windsor, for about $89. So a few things we'll need are some alcohol, green painter's tape, and some rags. And we've also got our step ladder just in case, since the window is quite high. We'll do the driver's side first. Let's take a look at our window and the surface we are going to work with. Notice there's like a little 45-degree grade here, so for sure we're going to sit just on top of that. Right about over here. Now let's open up our box to see what we've got. And the biggest reason why we bought this is ventilation. We want to be able to crack the windows open when it's raining and turn on the max air fan at the same time. This will create a nice airflow and good ventilation in the van. Okay, here's our wind guard right now. And as you can see, we've got R for right side and L for left. I like the nice dark tint look. It's going to look super nice against the gray color of the van. Okay, let's turn it around and see what we've got. And notice we got the red strip from one end to the other, and underneath that is our adhesive. And at the end right here, we've got a 3-inch strip of sponge-like rubber. And taking a look at the left hand side, we've also got the same thing. It's got the red strip that goes all the way one end to the other, and underneath it is the adhesive, and at one end you've got that sponge rubber thing about 3 inches long. So let's take a look at our package right here. Oh, take a look at this. Made by Patricia. December 14, 2021. Thanks, Patricia. Looks like we got 2 alcohol wipes or pads. That's alright, but we've got our own alcohol if we need it. And a quick glance at our instructions. And it looks like the best temperature to do this project is between 20 Celsius and 40 Celsius. And that's between 70 and 105 Fahrenheit, which is perfect because today is 72 Fahrenheit, a few days before Halloween. And a little congratulation letter from at Ford Service Division. Okay, left hand side will be the driver's side. I'm going to do a dry fit just to see. Always good to do a dry fit just to see how it's gonna look. So this little rubber piece here, about 3 inches long, is actually going to sit right on top of here, and it's going to prevent water from seeping in through and also acts as a spacer. Now I'll take a nice wet rag and clean up the surface really well. And with the other dry rag, wipe it down nice and dry. Take my alcohol wipes.
Yep, it's cheapy Felipe. It's a deep little thing.
I got extra alcohol anyways.
Oh, things not gonna do anything. Oh my God,
oh,
it's smaller than the one they give
small,
you at Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Actually quite small. All right. And with our little teeny weeny little alcohol pad, we wipe the area again. Okay, inside here is a little bit dirty actually. It's better to do is just clean it up because you'll have a harder time cleaning it once it's stuck onto the, you got some. Okay, good. Okay, one side here, I'm gonna peel out a little bit.
One end?
One end has to peel out just a couple inches. Son of a gun. Okay, like that. And on the other side,
The other end?
the other end here, they want you to peel out these two sides actually here. Like that. And this part right here. Shoot, that's. Should I need a skinny finger? Okay, got it?
Yeah.
There it is. So we got two sides. I'm gonna put it from the bottom. From the bottom, so we can pull it out from the bottom. Other side too. Pull it from the bottom. Okay. Let's line things up. Here, one side first. I'm gonna do it from the top. It's easy to do it from the top here. Actually, easier. This part here is easier to do the top. Okay, guys, do not do what I just did. That red tape should be facing downward, not up. Like that. I will do it here. Okay. That. This. That. Okay. So far, so good. So here. Okay. Right. I want to take a look to see. Oh, shoot. Make sure to see that's up here is good. Good. Right there. Before we pull out the tape, want to make sure that's perfect the way you want it. All right. Time to pull out the tape nice and slow. Take the tape, pull the tape out. There we go.
And then slowly push it in.
And slowly pull it out.
So you're pushing it in while you're putting it out?
Yeah, slowly push it in at the same time. Right. Pull it out. Oh.
What? Did we speed up?
kind of screwed up in this. Okay. Sorry. That's alright. Okay. This one's here, so I should have put it in the underneath. Okay. Go from this side here. Alright. Like I said, that tape should have been facing downward, okay, so but still it worked out okay. And I'm gonna go this side here. There's one more. See it?
No, I don't see it.
Right here, right underneath.
I can't get it. Oh, yeah, okay. Got it.
There we go. So now I just gotta start pressing it in. Press down to put pressure on it and go over a few more times just to make sure. Time to finally remove the sticker. Okay guys, so on the passenger side, I actually used the green tape and I basically just put it at the beginning and at the end of the wind guard, just to give me an idea where it starts and where it ends. But the process is exactly the same as we did at the driver's side. Just remember, the red tapes face downward. Alright, so I put the green tape here. There's the tape anyways. Where that kind of starts and on the other side where that kind of ends also. It gives me an idea. Because I'm doing it by myself, it's the best way to actually do it. Okay. Tape here and tape here. Alright. Alright guys, here's the final look. What do you think? So if you guys like this video and find it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching. And if you go to my channel, check out my playlist. Lots more videos of this Ford Transit camper van build and our adventures.